Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. But some demand to mabuyo bambolonyo hlase upodla manzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger, cream de la cream. Futhi kwenza sure uthelithwa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a booby king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with Welcome and Tuyaza Protection next to me. Mtanami. Guys, ngisacela sonke shaye the welcome eye and then uwake assist to the couple. Welcome. Tell them to take us to the couples.
That you're working, take us to the couples.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana Kings, but umtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase upodla manzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelithwa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Lena le ikhosi liyaphumelela. Ikhosi liyaphumelela. Ay bhakabhaka bafethu njengoba lidlala ikhefu silifisela inhlanhla uma ukuthi le episode yo dropper selidlalile sithi halala kwibhakabhaka. Hey hayibo lo ozangapha ngathi usebenza restaurant or a bar yabona labo bar lady bartender baba Sanibona sisami ninjani ngikrende bese ngisacela ukubuza bese singadini man anidlula ngani le restaurant le black only the ngwenyas gentlemen yeah black yeah ngala oh ngiyabonga bhuti umbantu bethi kambe obakeng mina nguKing Ginger ngicela ningadini wafethu ama camera phezulu shuthe ngihamba nabangani bami lana senza iproject yescale. That's why we are going to Ngwenyas Gentlemen's Cafe because ila sochela khona senze ama interviews. Usisene bani kambe Umpho. Oh okay ngisacela nje ukunibuza a few questions sisumpho
manje shutha kanje bayanibhadala ngithi
angizwanga bhuti
manje shutha kanje nosibhadala
kanjani mfethu ngoba into yesikole le angithi ngiyasho ukuthi thina sisuka eNgwenya Creative Arts
angithi mara ngithi ni shoot
no angithi into yesigela le ngenzela ukuthi ngimbuze imibuzo according to umsebenzi wethu wasesigela mfethu asihole esikoleni thina esikhokhela isigela yeah singama students thina so wena obakeng mfethu ngicela ukubuza ukuthi wena noma isister niyathandana.
Yeah.
Awunjayavi. Congratulations. I'm mfethu muhle umuntu wakho mfethu ya. Muhle and I hope umphethe grand. Umphethe sharp vele.
Yeah, ngimphethe grand.
Umphethe grand. So ungathi yini mfethu oyithandayo mfethu ngompho?
Smile sakhe.
Awavela smile mfethu. Makade umncikise emabondeni umntwana wa 30 what happening right? Awuphenduke my sister sikubona ukuthi awuthintitha umama singemuva. Kade umncikise emabondeni lo mjita lenga phenduka mama aza kuthintitha phenduka umthintithe nalanga sesibu yamsaba yini ngathi ngathuka uthi umuntu wakho so wena sisifama ungathi yini oyithandayo ngodaddy.
He's a sweet guy.
Ne sendesikhathi ngane nithandana
8 months.
8 months and kulo 8 months wena sister yakwazi umenzela ama fat and set. It's a honest question. Like ukona nomunye umuntu mhlawumbe wena akekho uthanda yena kuphela ne
Obvious.
So what are your plans mhlawumbe nina going forward wena nomuntu wakho?
I mean, see akhani.
Yeah.
Go to each other then see where it gets.
Ne.
See where it goes actually.
Yeah. Wena awuthiyama ubona kanjani wena what are your plans?
Ngifuna ukumove in na.
Shu.
Sihlale so.
Uzoyimithisa lengane yazi. Yazoyimithisa le. Maybe say meet, you'll never know. Njaya my brother ngicela ukubuza nje ngoba usuvele washo but uyakokotera mara.
Obvious.
obvious anjam but
Why
speak
would I be here?
but ishizolo but futhi wena kulona naneshizolo yazi utheni uMadumi izolo uthe uMadumi izolo hayi ishizolo lenza kancane lithi chi utheni nalithi uthi nje wathi uzakathi uhambe emoyeni so wena uyiphi ke uyile chi noma uyile hayi ndumandumani winile lalela mfethu do the ndumandumane style yini the ndumandumane ndumandumane style manje wena my sister ndumandumane style vele uyayi-enjoy oh sorry asekho lapha so bafethu mina ngihappy for nina and ngihappy ukuthi nathandana out yami but I have this one wish engifisa nje ukuthi ningisize ngayo ngicela nje mfethu uphe umuntu wakhe ihug etight umtshele ukuthi uyamthanda mfethu
Thanda manesh.
ngoba
sijahile.
hawo sengindedela vele ya mfethu ngicela wenze pinky promise kumuntu wakho umtshele ukuthi I will never ever ngicela niphinde after me I will never ever
I will never, ever
cheat on you.
cheat on you.
Yes, you will be the only one for me.
You'll be the only one for me.
Love you.
I love you.
Yes.
Forever and ever.
Group hug. Oh yeah, welcome Ozan.
Ngathi sombamba kakhulu ndoda.
Ozan lezinjana Ozan ngapha solunywa imkotoyi la. Kunomkotoyi la. Ya angithi group hug akanti indaba mfethu be.
Mara ngathi ubamba yena kakhulu.
No. Oh nawe ke.
Hayi angisho ukuthi ungakhi ngitho ngathi.
Siswamo niyapi umgodo esesukile kuwona sengiyanidedela bafethu ngoba nathi sisafuna ukuya ngapha e-restaurant yasekhaya kahle kahle esekhaya la sizobe siya khona so it's nginidedele my brother I wish you all the best phatha kahle fethu mamazi namamazi cela umphathe kahle umuntu wakho fethu nibe right izinto zenzibe clean sengihamba nje kunento esenzayo la ithiwa loyalty test loyalty test ithwepha you switching phones for 60 seconds wena my sister unika umuntu wakho ifone yakho for 60 seconds ukuthi check ukuthi on WhatsApp Facebook Instagram and flexa nabo bani same applies to you angithona drama ujola ucheat futhi forever ever
thina sijahile
ever
yeah forever and ever and uyohlala ngimthanda
sacasha nje amafoni ke
mara ngoba sesijahile nani
why you being grumpy dog
next
There's something you're hiding.
yeah mbuzo
yakufihli next
awufihli
next
ki forever ever ke yeah ngiphe wena sisamfuna because khona sokwenza sheshe because kumele nihambe ngayona my sister yeah indaba uthuswa yini doggy uthuswa yini
hayi angithukana ngiyethemba
uyangidlawula ngilethi ifoni hayi wena uneyitayela ne
next
awuthi sisondeze ithimu enkulu kunawo wonke amathimu enamakhapha amaningi kunawo wonke amathimu la kule league le enithi league le cela ungibambela Khosi for life amafoni la ngicela uze ngaphambili bakubone ngicela ungibambele amafoni keze usupportana utham
mina
i-Chiefs
angibheki ibhola
oh suka ke mangapha phela cela uze ngalazi so mangathi wena i-Chiefs sure because ubuzoma kabuhlungu woza ngapha bafo bafo indaba mfethu kanti yini yini ngathi uyitheni kanti iplayer confidence ka forever
hayi khona ukuthi sijahile
Alright.
You're right.
Qala ngaye.
Wayafuna ukuqala ngami singaqala.
I just want to see. Yeah.
Okay.
Ile yakho.
Ladies first.
Yeah.
Ivule. Ha, yamuzwa uthini mamazi? Uthi wena uyilady. Ala wena shakhnena. How do you feel sisama ukuthinta ifoni yendoda? Now what's up? Mase ngithi type uzotype la makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela makuvela igama lezinye ifebe la ungitshela lezo ngoba yizo lezo ifebe ezobidliwa umuntu wakho kodwa kwamanje kuzomela ukuthi sicheck ukrena njani until I understand in Spanish. All right, okay guys, my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream Tana King Indlovu Khosi for life Kaizer Chiefs oh sorry so I'm right type lapho uthi I love you
Look here the food.
Sure. Sister, must type here, ne? Sure. All right, guys, on WhatsApp right now. When you're about to start the trend, type it up. Uti, type it up. I love you. I'll tell you when I wake up. Mantombazane hlaphatha la wena.
Next. Clean.
Clean, phela wena.
Mean.
Phela wena. Type lapho uthi when can I see you? Indaba thoswa yini?
Next. Angithuka.
Ngisuka awujoli ngithi.
Next.
Abathi sisama ungitshele vela wena. Sister manje nawe usuyangicomela futhi lokhu kuvele ubhe bethi hayi. Okay phuma lapho type uthi sex sis. Usheshesele. Awujoli vele.
Next.
Grand.
Clean.
Nobody.
Phuma lapho kunobhadi. Ngicela ungithayiphele uthi money. Yeah?
It's me.
Phuma lapho. Ngicela ungithayiphele uthi I miss you. Ufake ne-heart e-red. Delete. Delete.
Next. Awona nama-contact lama-5 kuphela.
Okay, phuma lapho ngicela ungifakele ibrinjolo, i-emoji delete. Ufake i-emoji ebrinjolo, ufake i-emoji elokhuzana, ufake i-emoji ufake i-emoji epentshisi namanzi la cha. Pophoma yawazi nje.
But there's nothing.
Uyawudlala Facebook,
Facebook angithanda.
Instagram.
He's only on WhatsApp.
Anginawo la manye
Ngimnike ifoni yakhe noma mnike samfona. How do you feel ukuthi indoda yakhe ayicheat?
How happy?
Yeah. Mhaka umqabule esiphongweni kuphela.
Senzisi.
Ngifuna ukunenzisa vele. Mina ngithemba ukuthi niyajola. Lo ngathi lo bengitshela bafa. Yabo nje ubuclean.
asibheke
Eyakhe. Yeah. Ivula. Uyamthemba nawe ne? Njengoba naye bekuthemba ne?
ngiyamthemba. Ngithemba umntwana uzofasilahla.
Ne? Yeah. Why ugqoka ijacket engaka?
Siyakotola.
Umuntu wakhe menza bemkholo.
Ngimkhulu.
Relaxa. Hey, awusagijimeli ku-WhatsApp. No. Mase ngithi type la.
Mara why le WhatsApp ine-password?
Sister. Now what to search it? Oh, sister.
Ivaliwe.
Oh, senzele iphethini.
Awubuke.
Ne? La.
Yep.
Search. Makuvela type makuvela igama lamanye amadoda la umtshela ngoba iwazi ubeqaphuza indoda umuntu wakho ngithini. Yeah, okay, Mark. All right, guys, my name is King Change, Cream de la Cream, and we're on WhatsApp right now. We're about to tap the trenders. Oh, Kosi. Type lapho uthi when can I see you? Yini?
Next.
Manje indaba.
That's nothing.
Uzalani? Awujolo wena. Mangaveli lutho bafukhulume siqhubekele phambili maningi lamagama.
Come on, beat.
Mani? Pete. Ubani uPipi lo akuthiwa ubani uPipi nombani?
Beat.
uPete. Ubani uPeter? Pete. Ubani lo?
Tingbo.
Uyamazi uPipi?
No.
Mara ke fona musakero ijirira la.
Takebo.
Ngoko bona nthile ngapha.
Ngithoyithi bang kimang Pipi.
I could say I have a lot of contacts. I want to see.
Mbonise mfethu usenzile ma.
Come on, beat.
Kimang o batlang go bona. Kimang o batlang go mo bona wena.
I think it's
Phuma lapho. Type uthi sex. Sibone ukuthi uPipi uyavela yini. Sister kimang Pipi.
I think it's the Uber driver. I don't know.
Oh,
I
so
don't remember.
uthatha ama number ma Uber driver. Why? Nenzani ne Uber driver? Minister of Transport. Awusa request uyayifonela wena indoda.
Lebelela ka sexy.
Lima.
Lipipi. Utaxi uthi drive taxify. Shothi labafanele laba baphepha intombi zethu lama mayigibelile la lezi imoto. La sibuyele emateksini ke manje ngizothi ngithini ngoba lento yakho lokuthi uma ugibele iBolt wena uthatha o-driver uthatha inamba zo-driver ngikhuluma nge-sex. Ubani uPipi?
Lebelela ka sexy.
Yeah. Mina ngamfonela phela uPipi.
for in.
Oh. Cha kukumbuza ukuthi wena naye ni yini. Kanti
Phone
wena
yami le.
okay kanti wena noPipi ni yini? Indaba wena mawugibela Pete.
Pipi.
Pete. Oh kanti usuyamazi manje.
Ngiyamazi.
Oh.
wena mabane ekerotle konna umputsa wena ubhizi ngolibhizi lithi
Next busy wena.
Neletsang
imama selinebonana
We just friends.
and benefits.
But whom?
Shizolo de Maduma style. How yakhala yini?
namisi
Sis wozani ngapha siswami khuluma iqiniso mfethu wena noPiti nenzani
wenzani
phuma lapha ufake emoji ebrinjolo ufake ibrinjolo ufake ipentshisi ufake nelamanzi athi qhwa impophoma siswami khuluma iqiniso because ngizomfonela mina uPiti
For in. Umfonela for in.
ngifuna ukukhuluma naye
No.
sinento
It's my contact in my phone.
no enhle tshontsha rena mo phone
yeah
I
because
do.
I got
Never.
never in yini
I
never
keep phoning about to come phone ya gago.
yini never
I had your phone just now. Azanka phonela muthu ke.
I got
So
now
you
tshela
can't-
next mo phone
So it doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter yani sesomqonda ukuthini
Hayi,
so Pete ke ma
it's a friend.
so wena le friend dawo lira le bolela ka sex
buwa
bua pe le bolela ka sex le friend dawo
nawa usambuza themba ukubaleka shothi uhlale baleka vele mazizi mshubela ubani uPipi
Unjani kanti? I said it's Pete, my friend.
ngicela ukubuza lento yenu yini niyabhuka mhlambe
Sondela, ningamiyeka sondela.
oh ngesimiyeke wena noPiti mhlambe niyabho
Abangani?
oya untwela blind uthi akansani parle or le ditšhomi no a sa le boys le no ke tšhomi ya gago
uritse ya bolt chomi
a sa le boys le no ke tšhomi ya gago
buwa ngeke akwenze lutho wena nje khuluma musilokubalekela kumusa yi balekela indaba zakho
Indaba zami exactly nifunani lapha ya.
8 months ago fela ke busy ke botsa ra nalona ra
Mara uthola into efunayo this guy always uhlezana.
because
Yini?
Insecure lo muntu.
available musifuni uphela sinana ko
So ithakhalela into eqiniso.
into eqinisa ukuthi wena uyamfebela
Bengingamfebeli musi.
Ubuwenzani?
Accuser all the time.
ubuwenzani semfonela kuPiti
Kushata kwa.
liwena sikarisiye kwa
yibo labantu laba benza ukuthi manje sibe kube ne GBV engaka la eSouth Africa
ngoba
Beyiloko ikhona iGPV lines lutho musi.
mara khosakele
oh kanti wena baba wami
Ukhosekele.
unokumbamba ngeimpama inomamazi
He accuses me of everything.
oh
kani ngiyibamba le phone yakhe
oh phela
angithandi
Noma ungayibambi, he always accuses me of things that I don't do. So
Mara
at
kids
least
awayira,
mara uyazenza nje uyafeba siswami uyafeba
into
uyafeba
ayifunayo angithi mangayenzi uyangi-accuse.
umenze
Hayi.
so wena
Sanda kuyenza that it's a new guy. Yo,
so
nake ke nna eng ko wena
old guy.
eh ke eng ko wena
uthi umdala uthi wena umdala kuye
Angisho kanjalo.
utheni wena uyatelela wena anginilwisi
Uyasiluisa.
indaba it's your words
Uyasiluisa.
it's your words
bona lo tsaka fela tso botsa tsona tsho rena ke nna
So re tlo lesa ke batho ba. After 8 months re lesa ke batho ba sa batsebeng.
imina njalo lo ithina laba bathu ba
Uwe, batho ba.
ba mina nguba
It's fine. 5 seconds.
awuthami ehlisa umoya mfethu ehlisa umoya bra miyeke icherry le miyeke icherry oza kufaka enkingeni miyeke relax hold your words
I'm the dog.
but you
You're
be
the dog.
no but behavior la ngathi nobunja la
La yinje.
nayo uyinja
Yeah.
nawe uyinja
Ngone ngayo.
manje mase kugijima imgogo lana mina ngizolunya futhi ngisaba kabi nje futhi mina ebafetha nihlehleni awunibabambe musa futhi
For you this thing is funny, ne?
it's funny ngani
ne?
nawe it's funny ukufebela umunye umntwana it's funny
Mbuzi ukuthi wenzeni.
yeah ngakhala uthiyami ngakhala mfethu mi futhi asimfonele lo Peter awuthiyami uyitholele lonke iqiniso ayifithi simfonele lo Peter bambala
lokhile le phone
I'm not gonna open it.
fuck
ya ntwela jo
manje mfethu
ya ntwela jo
Ngibona ka wena.
uboni ngayi ini
mara nazanga ufelela musa
Azange wamphebela mara ubulo ngi-accuse musi.
ya kilo tso
So ke ntho no we batla.
relax
ne wetsa le
relax buwenza no Peter wena izolo wena no Pepe benenza nomnika ifoni yakhe lo awusayithandi le out wena siswami yazi inkinga yakho yini udinga ontanga bakho wena unejwayela wena ukube ngintombazane bekuqaqa ngempama mina uchaphaza le out le wena uchaphaza le out ngoba iyakuthanda ungakhali wena ya uhamba uthatha amaratha akho la ha wena ucanga ukuthi uyakudinga sondela bafuna umtshela indaba zakhe lo maratha
Whether he needs me or not, I don't care.
kanti yini wena yini inkinga yakho upipi lo yibona sana yibona pipi yini manje ngikutshelile ngathi ka lento oyenzayo man pipi
Ngijwayele uyayazi 8 months.
uyayazi 8 months wena
Uyayazi 8 months.
ngakhali awuthiyami ngakhali ningambambi kabuhlungu bafethu lo mjito usasenkingeni uneseyinhlungwini lo muntu wena ujwayela kabi ubafo wena umuntu kwapipi yeah and wena siswami I'm telling you what you are doing to this guy you will rot in the nearest tavern kebe kugcwele ukubhiya yobudla ingudu kuphela ngaleso sikhathi amadampi nama-estropes engasekho okwamanje usachomela le champagne le yumaratha herses ungakhali mfethu vusa umhakhe Market dog. Hey, wazi umvusa khakhe. Yakhala la out. Hambe ekhaya. Sicela nje umahake. Vusa mthatha yakhe kulambana kithi. Alright ne? Yakhala yezwa. Kakhanya ngiqala ukubona. Sinandaba nawe sambeni futhi washiyela amaratha seraba start. Yazi le ntombazana isindile ngoba ngiqedanga ngayo. Ishi bayiqelazile le out ya bayiqela ngiyaqala ukubona umgqomo wendoda ugotshwa kanje ya bagoba ubhoqo isihlahle bese sindlula misi sesinga umbonile ehlala phansi wasuza lapho engabona ukuthi shuthe bese kugcwele nomoya eswini babamba baze basuze madoda welcome le team leni strong kakhulu welcome yazi ungicasule sekubamba la akaboni ukuthi ubamba ikhosi la ngapha washo utsegeleke lo wasePitori wathi Jola ubone take me to the nearest home. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake